Hello, welcome to this class. Today we will know to IPI or International Phonetic Alphabet. I am native of the Spanish language and I have alphabet a little difference alphabet of the English, especially in pronunciation. Let's see the symbols that English uses to improve pronunciation. This is Phonetic Alphabet International. Each symbol has sound. Sounds and vowels and consonants. Read, set, book, to, her, they, man, America, war, sword, for, boy, go, cat, bat, far, not, where, my, how, pig, bed, time, do, shirts, youth, kyle, go, buy, bury, tense, they, set, sue, short, casual, milk, no, sing, hello, lead, read, window, and jet. Let's see some examples. I like English and I'm learning a lot. Some here. We can find help in the page of transcript writing, menthoughtphonetics.com. See you later. Thank you. Bye bye.